In the last video, we broke down how Congress just voted to keep the kill switch mandate alive. How every new vehicle rolling off the line is being engineered to monitor your eyes, analyze your breath, and shut itself down if a computer decides you are unfit to drive. If you have not seen it, go watch it first. Because today we are going one level deeper. Today we are talking about the vehicles they cannot touch. The machines that were built before the surveillance architecture existed. And why owning one of them right now is quietly becoming one of the smartest financial moves a working American can make. This is the list they do not want you to have. Before 2015, the connected car was an option, a feature you could choose or decline. OnStar was a subscription you activated if you wanted it. The diagnostic port under your dashboard was a read-only window, not a two-way cellular antenna broadcasting your location, your driving behavior, and your engine data to a corporate server around the clock. That changed, not gradually, systematically. General Motors made cellular telematics standard equipment across its entire lineup, starting with the 2015 model year. Ford began rolling out embedded modems on select trucks and SUVs starting in 2017, making them standard across its entire new vehicle lineup by 2020. Toyota began standard telematics integration on the Tundra with the redesigned 2022 model, when it also introduced over-the-air update capability for the first time. Once the modem is embedded, you have no off switch. The vehicle is online, whether you want it to be or not. The automaker has a permanent communication channel into your engine control unit. And as we laid out in the last video, that channel is the exact infrastructure the kill switch mandate is designed to weaponize. So here's the line. Vehicles built before the cellular modem became standard equipment are structurally outside that framework. Not because of a loophole, because the hardware to enforce a remote lockout does not exist in them. You cannot update what you cannot reach. The question is which ones to buy, what to look for, and what these machines are actually worth right now. The first vehicle on this list does not get enough credit outside the mechanic community. The 2003 through 2007 Chevrolet Silverado with the 5.3-liter Vortec Vive 8. This generation of truck predates drive-by-wire throttle on most trim levels. The gas pedal is connected to the throttle body by a physical cable. The transmission responds to a mechanical shifter linkage. The engine control module communicates with nothing outside the truck. Parts are available at every auto parts store in the country for under $50 because this platform sold over 4 million units across its production run. Owners and reliability guides across the industry consistently report these engines reaching 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. Clean examples are selling for $12,000 to $22,000 right now. That number is going to look cheap in 3 years. The second vehicle is one that truck buyers have quietly respected for decades, but the mainstream market consistently underestimates. The 2007 through 2013 Toyota Tundra with the 5.7-liter iForce 5.8. Toyota built no connected services platform into this generation at all. No cellular modem, no over-the-air update pathway. The 5.7 makes 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque from the factory, and owners routinely report this engine running past 300,000 miles without internal work. Every major system is accessible with standard tools from any mechanic who knows what they are doing. That is the benchmark. Third is the vehicle the diesel community already knows is irreplaceable, but the general public is just starting to figure out. The 2003 through 2012 Ram 2500 with the 5.9 or 6.7 liter Cummins inline-six diesel. The 5.9 is a fully mechanical fuel system. An experienced diesel mechanic can rebuild it on an engine stand with hand tools and parts from multiple suppliers without a single dealer, only diagnostic step. These trucks were used hard, which means you can still find legitimate examples in the $17,000 to $28,000 range. 5 years from now, the clean ones will be gone. The fourth vehicle surprises people until they think about it. The 2006 through 2011 Ford Crown Victoria, the last body-on-frame V8 rear-wheel drive full-size sedan built in America. Zero cellular connectivity, zero driver monitoring. A 4.6-liter V8 with a parts network so deep that police departments ran these cars commercially into the 2020s. You can buy a clean one for $6,000 to $10,000. You will not find another vehicle in that price range that you can service completely with parts that are available from any shop in the country. Now here is the investment piece that changes how you should think about all of this. General Motors was selling its own customers' driving data to insurance brokers, LexisNexis and Verisk, without their knowledge until public backlash forced them to stop in 2024. Ford filed a patent for an integrated insurance management system that uses onboard telematics to automatically adjust your premiums based on how you drive. Automotive data has become a multi-billion-dollar annual revenue stream, with the market for connected vehicle data projected to more than double between 2022 and the end of this decade. That revenue comes from your car's cellular connection. A vehicle with no modem produces no data. It is worth nothing to that business model. This is why automakers have zero financial incentive to keep analog vehicles easy to service, and every incentive to let them become obsolete. Pre-2015 full-size trucks with mechanical throttle linkages and no embedded cellular hardware are a permanently supply-constrained asset. No more are being built. The mandate ensures none ever will be again. Every year, more examples are crashed, rusted out, or parted. The pool of clean analog trucks shrinks, while the number of people who understand why they need one is still growing. In 2021, a clean 2006 Silverado with the 5.3 sold for around $9,000. The same truck today is $14,000 to $18,000. It did not gain horsepower. It did not gain features. It gained scarcity. And the mandate has not even fully taken effect yet. The people who were paying attention to what happened to farmers with John Deere tractors started buying those tractors years before the general public understood what had happened. The same pattern is playing out right now in trucks and SUVs. The difference is the window is closing faster because the mandate is actively accelerating the transition. Go watch the first video if you want to understand exactly what the law says and why Congress just voted to keep it. Then come back here and make a list of what you can afford to buy and maintain. Because the wrench in your hand and the title in your glove box are the only things standing between you and a fleet of rolling subscription services you never agreed to rent. If you found this breakdown useful, hit subscribe. Every week we cover the systems quietly rewriting the terms of ownership in America. The next one is already in progress.